Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with another video. This video is for my third graders. Yes, Miss Jerome is finally making a video for the third graders, and the purpose of this video is for the students to know how to add three-digit number and also regrouping. So, what is regrouping? So they're gonna have three numbers on top, three numbers on the bottom, and then regrouping, meaning that let's say I say 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9 equals 10. You put the zero down, carry the one over. So that's what makes it regrouping. So remember, parents, when the children are watching the video, it's very important that they watch the video over and over. Doing math is like learning a new language, meaning that they have to know, they have to practice it all the time. So if you're learning Spanish, you're not going to know Spanish by doing nothing. So you would have to do it over and over until you get the understanding of the language. Same thing for math. Same thing for math. So same thing for math. So they need to carry the language of math over and over. Addition, they have to do it over and over. Subtraction, they have to do it over and over. Multiplication, same thing. Yeah, it's a language. So now let's talk about so that's the purpose of this video, is to help some third graders, because if they understand what they're doing in third grade, then they'll know how, if they know how to do addition, they'll know how to do subtraction. If they know how to do subtraction, they'll be able to do how to do multiplication. If they know how to do multiplication, they'll know how to do division, because they're all related. They're all related. Okay, so bonsoir parents yo, c'est Miss Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une vidéo côté, nous pral parler côté pour ti moun yo kon ki jan pou yo fait trois chiffres addition. Trois chiffres en l'air, trois chiffres en bas, et puis pour qui jan pou yo fait juritien. So c'est regrouping nan relé juritien. Okay, so make sure que ti moun yo pratique fait mathématique là, comme ça, pour yo vin kon ki jan pou yo vin proficient la dani, koute yo vin kon ki jan pou yo fel bien. Et même jan, faire mathématiques, c'est même genre parler en langage. Pour parler anglais, hein, c'est pratique pour faire. So, l'on fait pratique, ou une profession là-dedans, ou une proficient là-dedans. Okay? So guys, this video is for you guys, third graders. Yeah, make sure I remember you today. So I'm going to do a video for you guys. So get your pencil ready, get your whiteboard ready, get your marker ready, because I am about to show you how to do third grade addition. So like that, so you could become a pro. You could become a what? A pro. A pro means something you're good at. All right, so let's go. So here we go. So we're going to have 887 plus 965. So you're going to start on the right. The right says 7 plus 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put the 2 down. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. Excuse me. 15. Put the 5 down. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay? So boys and girls, for you to know what you're doing, you have to know your addition. You cannot fake it till you make it. You gotta know your addition facts. Just like in second grade, you learn your addition fact. You got to know your addition fact. So if you don't know your 9 plus your 9 plus tables, then practice them. If you don't know your 7 plus table, practice them, because you cannot. Let's say, what is 9 plus 9? You cannot make 9 circles and 9 circles. No, you're wasting too much time. You're in third grade. 9 plus 9, 18. Boom. Okay, so let's do another one. 74 plus 267. And another thing, when you're doing addition, you got to make sure your numbers are aligned. What do you mean by align? You cannot just put them anyway, anyhow, because you feel like it. So you got to put the numbers align. The numbers have to align with with the way you put the numbers. You can't put them any way you want. My pen is giving me problem. So that's the 7. That's the only way it'll make the 7 today. So make sure they align. What do you see with the align? The numbers are right on the bottom of each other. All right, so let's start on the right. The right says 4 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Put the 1 down, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. And carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Just like that. All right? So, well, Miss Jerome, what happened if I don't know my numbers correct? I mean, you could do you could do circles, but you're gonna be making, so remember, they don't give you that much time when you're doing, they don't give you that much time when you're taking the test to be making all that circles. So I suggest to you for you to learn your plus tables, just like you need to know your timetables. So, si Miss Jerome si mba kon ki jan pou m fè adisyon, well, chache kon tab adisyon ou. On kompren ou pa ka fè 40, si ou do 40 plus 20, pou fè 40 ti boule plus 20 boule. Non, chache konte. All right, so here we go. We have 727 plus 798. So we're going to start on the right. The right says 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. Put 5 down, carry the 1. You could even say 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. How do you know 3 plus 9 is 12? 9, 10, 11, 12. So put the 2 down, carry the 1. You could do even this. You could do 7 plus 7 is 14. You could do 7 plus 7 is 14. My pen is acting funny. Plus 1 is 18. Yes, you could do that. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 18. Let's do another one. So let's do 716. 716 plus 798. I'm going to do this one in Creole for my Haitian friends. Anwale, nap komanse sou la main droite. Kote la main droite lan di 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, je retiens 1. 1 plus 1 égale 2. 2 plus 9, 9, 10, 11. 7 et 7, 14 et 1, 15. OK? So, make sure que le nan fè numéro adisyon yo, make sure ni adisyon yo sous ligne. Ki sa vle di sous ligne, Miss Jerome? Make sure adisyon yo sous ligne. Make sure you're sous ligne. This is 624. Let me see if the 6 will be better. Okay. Jesus. All right, so I'm trying to erase and see if I can make the 6 better. Oh, this thing is giving me a problem. So I'm going to do the 6. So let me try one more time. Okay, so it looks like that's all I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try on this side. I'm gonna try on a different side because I don't want you guys to write the numbers bad because I don't want you to do it wrong. So 624 plus 498. So remember, boys and girls, the numbers must align. So they must be on the bottom of each other. So we're going to start on the right. N'a commencé sur la main droite. 4, 8 plus 4, 12. 4 plus 8, 12. Carry the 1. Oui, je retiens 1. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 égale 3. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9. 12. Carry the 1. 3 plus 9, 12. 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. All right, so let's do one more. Let's do one more. So if I'm speaking English to my English friends, mes amis mi yo, si ma parle anglais avec moun ki fait anglais yo, nou même pose vidéo an, wè si nou ta fè li, pou kont nou. My English friends, as I'm doing it in Creole for my Haitian friends, you should pause the video and do it in Creole. And do it yourself. So that will tell you how much attention are you paying. So because you are able to do it by yourself. So remember, Miss Jerome, what if I have another way to do this without doing it your way? Well, do it your way. Do it anyway, and do it any way you want. Remember in 3rd grade, they show you so many ways. You could do number line, whatever they show you. You could do it any way you want, but just make sure your answer is correct. 3 plus 9 is 12. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So that's all I'm going to do. Maybe let me do one more. Let me do one more for my Haitian friends. So like that they could get a good grip of what I'm doing. Ma fè pou ti moun Haitien yo pou yo ka kompren et puis porter attention. All right. So here we go. We have 312 plus 99. Oh, you mean they could do that? Yes. So start on the right. Commencer. Yo ka fè ça, Miss Jerome, yo ka mette ti chiffre comme ça? Oui. OK, on nous fait. On allait sous la main droite. 2 plus 9. 11. 9 plus 1. 10 et 1. 11. Je retiens 1. 1 plus 3 égale 4. So whether you did it in English or whether you did circles, whether you did tens and ones or hundreds, your answer is still the same. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 2 more, and you guys do this one and send it to me. Fais ça, et puis voyez réponse sans moi. All right, so do it. Have your mommy send me the answer, send me a message. Tell me, is it good? Is it helpful? Is it not? So let me know. Let me know. So like that, let me know. So like that I can could know if you're helping, if it's helping, and if it's not helping, you could tell me, Miss Jerome, it wasn't helpful. And if you need me to do another one, you could say, hey, Miss Jerome, can you do another one? That was awesome. So, so you could tell me. Dis-moi si vidéo a aidé. S'il pas aidé, dis-moi. Sou besoin l'autre vidéo, fais me connaître. Bon, moi, vle pour voyer réponse pour moi comme ça, pour moi, ka connaître que si pour me faire un lot, si pou m fon lot avèk si pou m ba fon lot. Sorry. Si pou m fon lot avèk si m ba fon lot, kon sa pou m konen, li te vwèman ede ou. I don't know what I'm doing. So, si pou m fon lot avèk si m ba fon lot. Okay? So,